is yoga and mindfulness, which is yoga karmashu kaushalam. As it suggests, yoga is perfectly skilled action behavior. So we can always act through our karma, because whenever whatever we act, हम लोग हमेशा सोचते हैं कि उसका result क्या होगा. Our brain is conditioned in such a way that कि मतलब ये करने से benefit क्या होगा, उससे करने से क्या होगा. So it is always about the profits, the benefits, and we hardly operate our mind कि अगर no, like selfless service or selfless activity, how we can do and contribute, assess ourselves and uplift and empower others and make a difference for the community. So if we follow through karma yoga, which is this is the chart, work for yourself, work for your family, work for your community, work for everyone. So we can be mindful, and then we have beautiful world, uh, community. How we can be mindful. So mindful is like introspecting ourselves, we discover ourselves, is basically these are the subtle energy in our body. We have already done the Panchkoshas, Shat Panch Mahabhuta, Triguna, Trikoshas, Nadis, and all. So we have to actually analyze the in a very subtler level how it functions, how it works. Yesterday's lecture also, ma'am, we had learned about the three doshas and all. At least I could understand what is which dosha is dominant and all, how it functions. So just analyzing and rediscovering ourselves. We know at present situation how we are as an individual, but then I feel no, by going into this subtler energy in a deeper level and understanding ourselves and all these things, and basically, like I would, from the HR point of view, I would say like a SWOT analysis. Just do your strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and strengths, and discover yourself. See, the today's reality world is this is how we live. We have a big house, small family, more degrees, less common sense, advanced medicine, poor health, touched moon, neighbors unknown, high income, less society. We are living costs, but no time. This is the hardcore reality which we are facing, from a big family to a small family. I mean, we have all the, not the basic, I would say all the, luxurious lifestyle, but still there is no peace. There's no, what you call, the sukoon and to be with ourselves. So how the root cause of all disease is like just do, do the dissections of all the koshas. It all comes from the adi, it is all in the mind, in the mental agitation. So just do the categorization, assess ourselves, introspect at all the koshas, whatever we are learned. So the best thing would be to start implement. So it's that is mindfulness. वो कैसे हैं, how it is affecting our breath, how it is affecting our nadis, annamaya kosh and all. And Patanjali has already defined it is chitta vritti nirodha.
Sheetal ji, can you be a little bit more louder if possible? Thank you.
Okay. So Patanjali has already defined chitta vritti nirodha. So that is the cessation of mind, how we can do. And then these are the 5 states which he has mentioned: the Mudha, Chitta, Vikshipta, Ekagra, Niruddha. So these are the different states in which our mind is going. So we need to identify, we need to be ourselves, where we lost, basically aware of ourselves, how we can do, how it's going to affect. And by how we can do is Ashtang way, how we can do with the application to society, also with the Maitri, Karuna, Mudita, Upekshanam. Even this also we follow. मतलब दूसरों की सक्सेस में हमको खुशी पानी है, अगर कोई दुख है तो उसे कंपैशन होना है, तो ये भी अगर हमने उतना भी फॉलो कर लिया डे टू डे, सो आई थिंक वी हैव अ वेरी गुड community and a peaceful life. Mindfulness is basically moment to moment attention. It's basically present every now, every second, present now. Being mindful is here fully, completely. So accept, forgive, forget. It is not about just saying, it is about practicing and being aware of it fully. So for me, I just wanted to say mindfulness is just always pause, breathe, and check. Just look at your emotions, what it is there in your inside. Usko cleanse karo, clean karo, follow the Ashtang Marg, and then reconnect with yourself, find yourself, discover yourself. This is what I would suggest. Constantly, just if you're finding it full, just and then rediscover yourself with these techniques. I mean, present, what can you, how you can do. So you have to follow these things with a positive attitude, with a positive frame of mind. And of course, there's the balanced diet also. If it is the Ashtanga Marg, everything, asana, pranayam, bandha, mudra, dhana, dhyan, samadhi, and of course, you have to choose a balanced diet also as per your lifestyle, where you are sattvic, moderate, yukta ahar, balancing the BMI and maintaining the balance in all the ways. And this is the crux of it. We need to follow. You can choose any of the marg. So हमें हमेशा सिर्फ कर्म करते रहना, फल की चिंता नहीं करनी है. Just follow your path and just stick to this. The Ashtanga Marg, the best one. That's it. And we can have good society and where we can, really contribute and upgrade. So I think mindfulness is being present. That is the need of the hour. So I would suggest Mudita is the best policy. Chitta Prasadanam. Thank you, friends.
Good, Sheetal. Very good.
Yeah, it was nice.
Nice, Sheetal. But honestly, I missed out the initial part. What was the topic you have taken? I'm so sorry. I understand the awareness, the mindfulness which you're talking about the society, the yoga for society.
No, it is like mindfulness, being aware of present.
No. The topic you have taken.
Is just about being aware.
No. I'm talking about the topic which you have taken up. Yoga.
Yeah, yoga karma kaushalyam. That is my topic. Karma karte raho, because it's a selfless activity and we have to follow every day. Correct. Every time. I mean, in all sphere of life, and we need to talk to our children also. Basically, they are the future. So, bachpan se ye humko, we need to reformat ourselves.
Absolutely. Yeah, they are the most impatient people on this earth. They want everything fast. They don't want to wait. They don't want to think about anything. They don't want to even be aware about what's happening. They just want, ye kiya hai, to yehi milna chahiye, aise hi hona chahiye, aise hi karna. Matlab, they don't even think. They don't even follow some practices. It's just that they want something and they don't even think about other parts. But it's a very nice topic. Very nice, actually. It's a good topic.
Yeah, actually we can do. This is the need of the hour, and pandemic has really taught us. It's like time to get back to the Indian back roots. अभी जो हमने सीखा है, लेकिन अभी कहते हैं अभी awareness level बढ़ानी है, उसको practice में लाना है, repetition of the practice, continuous, and we will get there. Now at least we are aware that awareness is very important, and then practicing and then passing on the knowledge. And through yoga, it's a big way. अभी हम यहाँ तक आ गए तो we know, but at least for the younger generations we can imbibe and teach them and pass this knowledge to childhood only, and we have a good society. We can definitely have a beautiful world. ठीक है, कलयुग है, all that is accepted, but we can definitely have a very good community, a peaceful, happy world, I would say. So yeah, being mindful is the crux and the need of the hour. Thank you.
Anybody else doing it? I don't know how was the steps. Who is doing it?
Archana ji is next.
That's okay.
Wait. The point is, Sheetal, it was a very nice presentation overall. आपका बहुत ही अच्छा था. आपने frame भी अच्छे से किया था. It was very much on time also. एक दो चीज है जो मुझे और ऐड करनी है. सबसे पहले तो like Latika ji was also confused. Over here, Shweta ji is also there, and I was also confused that what exactly is the topic name. तो वो थोड़ा आपको पहले highlight करना चाहिए था that the topic name is like this. I don't know, maybe
Okay,
Latika ji
okay.
also started from the midway. लेकिन अगर मैं स्टार्टिंग से भी था तो भी मुझे थोड़ा सा अनश्योर था कि एग्जैक्टली क्योंकि आपने स्टार्टिंग के स्लाइड पे लिखा था योगा कर्मशु कौशलम. So
Okay.
was that a topic or some means your whole session was very nicely designed, no doubt. It was all coming towards one point that yoga is all about the mindfulness and the awareful living. है ना? That is, and you are nicely combining this awareful and mindful living with the different categories of yoga. Let's say कर्म योगा या फिर नान योगा, ऐसे ऐसे थोड़ा सा आपने राज योगा ये सबको कंबाइन भी अच्छी तरह से किया है. So that is a very nice part. And यहाँ पर पतंजलि जी जो एक बहुत ही अच्छा, there is a very proper saying by Patanjali ji about that एक समय you can only remain at one point with your awareness on one thing. You cannot divert your awareness to different things at one time. So practically speaking that multitasking is not possible according to yoga. भले हम लोग मल्टीटास्किंग कर रहे हैं लेकिन एट ए टाइम हम लोग ये एक ही काम को हम लोग देखेंगे, दूसरे सेकंड पे हम लोग शायद ये काम को देखेंगे, लेकिन एट ए टाइम हम लोग दोनों काम के ऊपर या तीनों या चारों या 10 काम के ऊपर देख नहीं सकते हैं. भले हम लोग ने चालू 10 काम रखा है, बट एट ए टाइम आइदर वी आर doing one or we are doing second or we are doing third. So this is very nice that what you had mentioned, that ye jo awareful and mindful living, that is what is actually core of yoga. So nicely presented. Yeah, and now it is open for question answer. Already Ratika ji raised the first question. Now it is open for question answer. Somebody else also wants to ask. You can ask more doubts or question, or yeah, you can share. Yes, Tejal.
If she would have given a kind of a blueprint or some idea of what to do for this mindfulness, as in how I agree, I'm in agreement with her totally. So now I go back home, and if I was given 2-3 things to do, how, as in what does mindfulness look like in the real world, in my world? Because we are talking to people who are not mindful. I'm presuming.
Okay.
I'm presuming जो mindful नहीं है उनको तो इतना संवेदना ही नहीं है कि mindful बनना है, तो वो शुरू कहाँ से करेंगे?
नहीं, आप कहीं से भी शुरू कर सकते हो. पहले तो देखो उस चीज को एक्नॉलेज करना है, वही तो हमको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. आप अभी आप किसी से भी डील कर रहे हो, अगर आप खुद से डील कर रहे हो या किसी एनीबॉडी इफ यू आर डीलिंग विद अ पेशेंट, you will be counseling, right? You will be having some points, you will be doing a general counseling, you will be having the past history, the medical, whatever. उसके बाद आप you will be asking him the questions and all. तो वहां से भी शुरू कर सकते हैं. जैसे बेसिकली हम किसी डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं तो इनिशियल काउंसलिंग होता है, he takes a medical past history, what is there, and then he recommends, and then other add-ons which is there. अभी योगा में भी हम जैसे सीख रहे हैं तो जो न्यू कमर है तो we follow the स्लो स्टेडी रिदमिक जो पैटर्न है हमको वही फॉलो करना है. वी हैव टू बी माइंडफुल अबाउट दैट, आई मीन एनी ऑफ द एक्टिविटी. और वहां से शुरू करते हैं, वेयर इज द मिसिंग लिंक, एंड देन यू कैन से अभी आसन कर सकते हैं. जैसे हम मॉडिफाई करते हैं, अभी सारे आसन सब लोग नहीं कर सकते, तो हाउ यू मॉडिफाई, वी डू विद द प्रॉप्स. सो इट इज अबाउट बीइंग माइंडफुल एंड गिविंग द पर्सन, it is all about in everything. मतलब बच्चों के लिए, खुद के लिए, अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ के लिए, even where how we are stuck for ourselves. अभी हम अगर बहुत टायर्ड हो गए हैं, अभी थक गए हैं, लेकिन अभी कल सवेरे उठना है, तो कैसे उठेंगे? हम जिस एनर्जी से उठेंगे वो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. अभी वो ही एनर्जी, हम बहुत थके हुए हैं और फिर हम वैसे ही ऑपरेट करेंगे, वही एनर्जी एनवायरनमेंट को दे रहे, बच्चों को दे रहे, वही कैरी कर रहे हैं ऑफिस में, घर में, बॉसेस. इट विल पास ऑन द मोमेंट यू एंटर द ऑफिस, प्रोट्यून से लेके सब. So you have to be mindful what energy, what you're carrying, your aura, and what you want to receive. It's about second, microseconds. अभी मैंने बोला ये भी गया, ये भी गया, ये भी गया. It is going. Mindfulness, awareness, seconds, micro milliseconds. Time is going. Just present now. So that we can say, or another is existing में अभी हमको हमारी बहुत सारी प्री कंसीव्ड नोशंस है, लेबल्स आर देयर, लेबल्स हमको पहले वो हटाने पड़ेंगे. दैट अभी मैं भी एक चीज देख रही हूँ, लेकिन अभी मैंने चश्मे से देखा ऑलरेडी बचपन से, अभी आज से कितने 10 चश्मों का मैंने पहन लिया है, बहुत कुछ. वो इतने लेबल्स हो गए, उसको पहले हटाना पड़ेगा एक एक करके, जैसे ऑनियन में लेयर्स होते हैं। सो वो लेवल तक आपको, and you have to make a choice, of course, mind, decide right wrong, what is good for, and you're not crossing, जैसे मैम ने भी क्लासेस में हमेशा होना चाहिए, अति जो होता है बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है, तो एक फुल स्टॉप होना चाहिए। तो वो वैसे इट इज अबाउट एनीथिंग, मतलब कोई भी चीज आप ले सकते हो फॉर एनीथिंग, सो उसको and accepting the things the way they are and the way they are not, that is the key। हम लोग हमेशा परसीव करते हैं कोई भी चीज, वो जैसी है वैसे नहीं देखते, हम उसको देखते हैं जैसे हम हैं। so we have to always see the things the way it is। so हमारा जो ऑलरेडी प्री कंसीव्ड जो विजन भी होता है कोई भी चीज को एब्जॉर्ब करने का, वो नहीं होना चाहिए। so mindfulness is more or I would say very active in that also। that's it।
Yeah, nice. Okay. So the next, who was there? Archana ji. Yes, Archana ji. You can start.
Hey, hello everybody. Good afternoon. So my topic is yoga for diabetes. Very common topic. Everybody knows about it. Still,